When you gave your life to Christ, you became a tree of life. What do living trees do? They bear fruit. So if you're not bearing fruit, you are like that tree that Jesus and his disciples saw passing. And he wanted to pluck, even though it wasn't the tree season to bear fruit. I hope you read that in the scripture if you are ready. Even if that tree wasn't its season to bear fruit, Jesus still expected fruit on it. So there is no excuse. Well, the weather is cold. Oh, the weather is hot. No, there is no excuse. Even when you are not expected to naturally, you are supposed to have fruit. And so Jesus was angry, upset, and then he cursed the tree. The next day, they came back and saw that the tree was withered. If you are a living soul, if you are righteous, what God expects from you is to win souls, to bear fruit. The fruit of righteousness is a tree of life. So when you give your life to Christ, you became a living tree. And what do trees do? They produce fruits. So if you're a child of God, you ought to replicate yourself. You ought to teach others.